This is a very beautiful puzzle that you can easily put in your living room as a decoration. The name of this puzzle is Cathedral Door, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was made by Project Genius. Difficulty level of the Cathedral Door puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame and then put them back inside the frame to make this beautiful cathedral door look. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, you have to remove all parts from the frame. And now when the parts are removed, you have to find a way how to put them back inside the frame. And it will be the most difficult part. So I will start with this piece and I'm going to put it right here in the corner. Then I'm going to grab this part and put it right here. As you can see, all these wooden parts, they follow the lines between colorful pieces. Next, I guess we will put this part here. It fits quite nicely, and then I guess this part will go right here. Yeah, that looks nice. Then this piece, it goes right here, and next to it will be this part. I will put it like that. Now we will continue with this part. It goes here. If something doesn't go, don't try to push it, since you will probably break the puzzle, so it's better to find another piece that will fit nicely. Okay, the next piece. It will be much harder to find. Oh, this is a weird piece, and I guess it goes right here. Yeah, it fits nicely here, and this part will go in here. And now I see where I can put this part. The next one will be this one. I put it right here in the middle. Then this tiny piece, I guess, yeah, it goes right in here. This part will go right here on top. And we have only two parts left. It will be not so hard to find where to put them. This goes here and this goes on top. And that is how you solve the cathedral door puzzle. As you can see, now we created this beautiful door with all the wooden parts in the correct places. If you like the cathedral door puzzle and you want to buy some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles.